If you want to use N8N for free on your own server, but have no idea where to start, this video is for you. We're going to go through the whole setup step by step, from getting your server ready to opening N8N for the first time. If you go to the N8N website and check the pricing, you'll see it starts at €20 per month and goes up from there. But the bigger problem is limits. On the paid cloud, you only get 2,500 operations runs and 5 active workflows at a time. If you are serious about using N8N for real automation, that's just not enough. That's why we are going to self-host it today. Down on the pricing page, there is a community edition. This is the version we are going to use. It's almost free. You still need a server to run it on, so it costs something, but the N8N software itself won't cost you a cent. You won't be limited in number of active workflows or operations. For anyone who wants N8N to actually work reliably for their business, the cloud is the only real choice. Let's get into it. We have a few hostings where deployment N8N is simple for regular users without technical skills. It's Hostinger, Render, Elestio, and Railway. One quick note, platforms updates their dashboards all the time, so some buttons or dashboards might look different for you. Focus on what we are doing, not exactly where we are clicking. So let's start from Hostinger, which I personally use. The main preference are fixed monthly price, so always know how much you will pay for usage. Let's move to set up N8N. If you type in Google N8N Hostinger and open first link, you'll be on the right page to start. There are a few pricing plans, each has more resources, but we can start from the cheapest one. On the configuration page, choose usage time of VPS, so pay attention that more long time period propose bigger discount. The next option is location. Select the location closest to you. This option have the least delay metrics. The further away the location is from you, the greater delay in the response from the server will be. You could try any N8N service, but I choose the basic one. You'll be redirected to VPS page where your N8N service is deployed. You can click Manage App and log in or register your new account, starting to use it immediately. Also, time to time, N8N roll out new features and you should keep your N8N account up to date. In Google, just type Hostinger update N8N. It opens official documentation from Hostinger. There are two ways to do it. On N8N service page, click Docker Manager. Near your instance, choose 3 dots menu and click Update. Before update finished, you still can work with your N8N service. In the other way, just click Terminal and step by step paste described commands. After the updates, you can proceed using the service with new features. The next hosting is Elestio, so you should do the same things here. Just text in Google Elestio N8N. Choose the link and click on Deploy N8N. Select the service and then choose your cloud provider. Let's take a header. Elestio already proposed the closest server to your location. Just choose one of them. And the last one is resources, so select the cheapest for start. If need, you could select any N8N version, but we need the last one. And pricing policy depends on your usage. Sometimes it could be more than expected. If you need, like, select higher service support, but I remain it as it is. Once the service creates, click on it and choose Display Admin UI to log in into your N8N account. One of the benefits usage Elestio is auto-update function, which launched by default. It's helpful to keep N8N server up to date without additional actions. Then let's talk about Railway. The pricing for service is one of the cheapest, just $5 per month to deploy. As always, type Railway N8N, choose the link. All links you'll find in the description. Then just click deploy and after a few minutes the server will be ready. So just click N8N and this link to move to the server. To update the N8N, just click 3 dots menu and choose redeploy. As it finished, the newest version is ready. And the last but not least, render. First of all, set up your account and after verifying your email, we can proceed with N8N deployment. So click Projects and Web Service option. then it goes down to existing image tab, and that's what we should paste in. Open the Docker N8N image page. You can just type in Google or click link in the description. N8N has a deployment method called Docker, and servers with already configured settings and describe steps for installation has Docker image. So scroll a bit down and choose this option. The renderer could be free thanks to hobby subscription plan. But with extending projects and workflows in N8N, you could migrate to the starter subscription plan. So in configuration, I leave all the blank and just click deploy. And after a few minutes, when deployment finish, just going up here and click link to open service and set up your account. To update N8N, click manual deploy and choose deploy latest reference. Render as Railway also demands more technical skills to interact with them, but in the other hand, propose more comfortable pricing model. Thank you guys so much for watching. As a recap, we installed our self-hosted version of N8N. This is going to allow you to unlock unlimited operations and workflows where you previously wouldn't be able to the cloud version of N8N. It's also a lot more cost-effective. The only things that is limitation here is that you don't have access to teams. So if you go back into self-hosted version of N8N, if hit the plus button here, you don't have access to projects, which you do it in cloud version. But you can share workflows back with people. Thank you for your attention. See you in next video.